In this video, I will show you how to turn on voice chat in GTA Online step by step. If this video was useful, consider leaving the like button and subscribe for more content, and let's get into this video. First, go to the Start menu and navigate to Settings. Navigate to Voice Chat. And here, make sure voice chat is enabled. And also, make sure that you have a correct output devices. And as well the microphone. You can turn up the microphone volume if you like. Once it's done, go back and here you can go to an interaction menu by pressing M in a keyboard. For Xbox users, press %hold view button, and for PlayStation users, press and hold the touchpad. Now you need scroll down to Preferences. And then you can go to Voice Chat. You can set the voice chat to everyone, crew and friends, or you can set it to nobody. And that's it for today's video. If this video was helpful, consider leaving a like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.